Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to show you some 4-on-4 flag football plays for beginners. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. On this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. But anyways, today I'm going to show you some 4-on-4 flag football plays that are very basic and easy to learn for beginners. So let's get down to the clipboard and let's check out these football plays. Okay, so first we're going to start with the balanced offensive structure. So we are going to have player 3 and player 2. They're going to go up 5 to 10 yards and they're going to cut out 45-degree angle towards the sidelines, while player 4, he is going to be going straight up the field, and player 1 would have the option for one of those 3 players. Now in our next play, what we're going to have is the diamond offense, or at least that's what I call it. And, well, that's because it looks like a diamond, right? Anyways, so we're going to have player 2 going out 45-degree angle towards the sideline, same as player 3, just on the opposite side. And then what we will have is player 4, he is going to go straight up, and then depending on what his defender is doing, he's going to come down either left or right, 45-degree angle back towards the line of scrimmage, which let's say is right here. What you want in this offense is for player 1 to hit up player 4 as soon as he makes that cut, so that it's only maybe 2 or 3 steps, so that now he can catch the ball and run up that way. I don't know why this is giving me a dotted line, but it just is. So let's just make that solid. Now in this next play, what we are going to have is player 3. He is going to go straight up the field 10 yards and out towards the sideline. Player 2 is going to be going up 10 yards and going towards the center of the field. And we're going to have player 4 going out 45-degree angle towards the line of scrimmage / out towards the sideline. Now what we are hoping for here is obviously a quick gain here, a quick gain, and then maybe some running time, or player 4 to go out of bounds and get a clock to stop. So if you can pass the ball to player 4 if you needed the clock to stop, and he can take a step out of bounds 5-10 yards, you just gain 5-10 yards plus stopping the clock, so that now you have more time near the end of the game or near the end of the quarter or near the end of the half. Now in our fourth play here, we're going to have player 4 and player 3 crossing, and then we're going to have player 2 going straight down the field. What we're hoping for here is a defender to get lost, especially if we're playing against other beginners. They might get lost in that cross. Or possibly if player 2 is faster than his defender, you could go Hail Mary way out to him. Now in our final football play here in this video, what we are going to have is player 3 setting up a screen, standing still on both sides, and players 2 and player 4 are going to cross him. They're going to cross behind him. The reason is because their defenders are probably going to be in front of them. That way they can use him as a screen. They'll get caught up on that cross. And then what we will have is player 3 popping back down, turning around, so that if these players aren't open, we can get a nice 5-yard catch and possibly a little bit of a run afterwards. Now, I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time in another one of our Monday, Wednesday, or Friday football play videos.